Hi, welcome. This is Marta Vale with Realty One Group MVP. I'm here today at my open house at 5829 Mayflower Way in Ave Maria. It's part of the Webb community, a 55 and up community with a beautiful, actually two beautiful clubhouses and a gorgeous community. Let me show you around. This is here the house, and this is the Mayflower Way where you're coming from when you go through the gate. This is the other side. And then back there, it's the cul-de-sac. This house is from 2022, so just 2 years old. It has 2 bedrooms plus den, 2 baths on 1,405 square feet. A screened-in front porch, impact windows. There's also a camera here. Tiled over here, and it has carpet in the bedrooms. So as you come in, you have right away the den right here. You have glass door, double glass door in the den, a fan. And then over here is the living, dining area and the kitchen. Really nice finishes, backsplash, it's vented to the outside. This is like new, it's barely lived in. I believe the stove was never even used. I'll show more in a little bit. Here's the secondary bedroom. And this is a really nice size room. I believe this is a queen size bed, which shows you like there's still a lot of space here. You have a walk-in closet, and then over here is the second bathroom with a comfort height on the sink. Nice light fixtures, a glass shower glass door, and then over here, let's go this way. Here you have the dining area, the kitchen, the beautiful backsplash, all cabinets soft close and all drawers and soft open. Here's the dining area, the living area. Really nice, also with a fan. And I'll show the lanai is really big here. So here's the master, and to the left over here is the laundry with cabinets. It's just a space. And then over here is the master. This is a king size bed. So you see also here a lot of space. Beautiful Hunter Douglas window coverings everywhere. And then over here, a shower with a bench over here, dual sink, nice light fixtures. And then here the walk-in closet, really nice size. And then a separate water closet. And now I'm gonna go here, the lanai. This is really nice, and it has this beautiful preserve view. It's really gorgeous. This is screened in, and you can see it's screened in with a picture frame view so that you don't see any trusses here. You just have the beautiful view of the preserve. Really gorgeous. You have 2 fans over here, lots of space on this lanai. Let me go to the other side so as to show it better. Yeah. Really nice. And actually, when I was today coming to this open house, I saw some wild turkeys walking on the street. And another time when I was actually showing this house and also some others, there were cranes walking on the street, so it's really beautiful. Oh, over here you have a pantry, very nice size. And then let me show you also the garage. It's right here. It's epoxy floored. 2-car garage, nice size. And it also has a sink over here. And let me show you also the screen here. Here you can see the garage now open. And now there's a screen in front of it. I'll show it also from the front. If you want to work in the garage, you have this awesome screen that protects you, the lifestyle screen. So I can show you, there's this screen you can open like this in order to enter. It's really nice. So please reach out to me for questions about this house here or others, resales or new construction. And also if you have any questions about the community, this is a really great community, very active with lots of clubs that are available and just really beautiful amenities. 239-232-5563. I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. Thank you and God bless you.